Making your Google Meet meeting multilingual should not look like an IT task. So, to make it easy, we have created the Interprefy Agent. Interprefy Agent joins your meeting just like any other participant. It listens to what everyone says and simultaneously translates their words. It is smart, it is automatic, and it uses the latest AI technology. Ask your Interprefy project manager for a dedicated Interprefy Agent email address for your meetings. You can use this address anytime to set up a multilingual Google Meet session. Simply invite your personal Interprefy agent, available 24/7, just like you would any other meeting participant. Please note that the Interprefy agent can only attend one meeting at a time, so make sure your sessions don't overlap. To create your first Interprefy agent meeting, open Google Chrome on your computer, go to Google Calendar, schedule your meeting, and add the email address provided by your project manager to the guest list. A few moments before the scheduled start time, Interprefy Agent will join the meeting. It attends automatically and silently and captures the meeting sound. Don't worry though, Interprefy Agent will not record anything you say, unless specifically requested by your team. Once the Interprefy Agent joins the meeting, you'll see a QR code on screen. Scan it to access AI speech translation and captions on your mobile phone. If you have the Interprefy mobile app installed, you can join through the app or directly via your mobile browser. Choose your preferred option and select the captioning and translation language you want. Additionally, you'll receive 2 automatic messages in the meeting chat, providing link to access AI speech translation and captions from your computer browser. Click on the link and select the language you best understand to listen to, and live translated captions to read. For your comfort, muting the meeting tab stops the original meeting audio from masking the AI speech translation you're listening to. You can then hear the translation clearly through your browser or your mobile device. It works the same for both Windows and Mac OS. Simply mute the meeting tab by right-clicking on the tab and clicking on Mute Site. That way you focus on AI speech translation, which you have opened in another tab or on your mobile phone. To unmute, right-click the tab again and select Unmute Site. In multilingual terms, the floor is simply the language spoken by the speaker in that moment, the source language. Interprefy Agent automatically detects the floor language and translates it into all pre-configured meeting languages. Captions are provided in every one of these languages, including the floor. To recap then, Interprefy Agent is simple, seamless, and secure. It is simple in that there is no complex setup. It is seamless because it joins at the start of the meeting, captures the sound automatically, and delivers AI speech translation and live translated captions through easy-to-use translation user interfaces. And it is secure, thanks to the sound being streamed safely, with nothing recorded or stored unless explicitly requested by you in your contract. Say goodbye to complex setups and choose Interprefy Agent for your multilingual Google Meet meetings. Contact us today and discover the Interprefy difference.